Hi guys, welcome back to another Gear Pro one-on-one. Thank you Weston for today's question. Weston has a Halftrack and he wants to be able to use it out saddle hunting, tree stand hunting with some climbing sticks, and so he asked the best way to pack it in this pack. Now, a very standard way would be to take these side compression straps and utilize your Nalgene bottle pocket down here and just strap it in. Now, that's a pretty good system right there. Because you don't have much material on the outside, that can make a little bit more noise. Another way you could do it is to take the saddlebag pocket on the side of the Halftrack here, kind of invert this lid into its other side, and then you could at least stuff it into here and then also close it. Now this is the way that's going to give you the most space, but if your climbing sticks allow it, depending on how bulky they are, there's actually a spacing in between the saddlebag and the main pack here on the Halftrack in the back there. And so to demonstrate kind of just how deep that is, I have a stock here. And now this stock is a little longer than the 24 inches, but your tethered or whatever brand of climbing stick you have would be about here if they're about 24 inches. So you can see that's got plenty of depth usually for your two different ones, and then you'll have the bulk of your unit on the outside. But again, if you are needing some more depth, you can just do it in the saddlebag here on the side, but I would actually recommend having it in here. You can stuff this full with layers of clothing. This will be full, so that'll give you compression. That'll be the quietest, tightest way to keep it to your body without it moving around. Thank you again, Weston, for the question. If you guys have other questions that need a video explanation, email us at customerservice@eberlestock.com.